Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General. And happy Memorial Day to everyone. Went to go see what type of deal that I could put together. Now, this is not of low, but this is a low, okay? The digitals is okay. It could be better, but they okay, you know. You can put a deal together using some digitals if you still have the ones that I'm getting ready to tell you about. So let's go ahead and get to the video, okay? So these Safeguard hand soaps, they are, let's see, $3 each. There is two digital coupons that is out there. Okay, so one of them is $1 off of two. And then there is one that is $3 off of two. So what I did was, I always do this now. If you can, on the app, go to your cart and scan the products. For one, to see how much the price is. And then also to see if there is a digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So when I did that, the $3, y'all, off of two came off first. The $1 off of two did not come off at all. And it didn't attach to it, apply to it, anything. So I was kind of confused. I was like, do I want to do this? Because when I get up here to the cash register, the $1 might come off. But I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do it just to see what it does. Okay. So I went ahead and purchased two of these Safeguard hand soaps. They are $3 each. There is a $3 off of two digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So the $3 did come off. The $3 off of two did come off, and I will show you on my receipt. All right. So then the next thing is the St. Ives body wash. This is the sea salt and Pacific kelp. The St. Ives is $3. There's $1.50 digital coupon that is attaching to this product. And this is, what is this? Is this a 16 ounce? Let's see what that is. Yeah, 16. I think it looks like it says 16 ounce. Okay. The next thing is the Colgate. Colgate Triple Action is $1.75. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching, and it's the 6.0 ounce. Okay. So that's good. The next thing is the Airwick. The Airwick, they are $3.35. There's $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. Because I was going to see if the warmer would attach, but at this Dollar General that I went to, they didn't hardly have anything. I don't know what's going on with this Dollar General. They got so much stuff in the aisles with boxes, but as far as product, it's not out. So I don't know. It's really weird, you know. They got stock everywhere, but I guess because they don't have people, you know, their employees is either quitting, getting fired, or not even just wanting to work, you know. So that's how we have to deal with it. But until everything, you know, kind of gets back to normal, that'll be a while, but it is what it is. So then the last thing are these Pantene. Pantene, I got three of them. They are $1.50. Yes, $1.15 a piece. This is the conditioner. And this is in the trial size, okay? But there is a $4 off of three digital coupon that is attaching, making these, I believe, making them just 50 cents for all three. That's a good price. Really good price. So if y'all want to get y'all some Pantene, make sure you get the trial size now. Don't get the big one. get the trial size and purchase 3 of them. Now, like I said, this is a conditioner. I did not scan the shampoo to see if the shampoo is attaching to that coupon, but the conditioner is, and I bought 3. They are $1.50 a piece. The digital is $4 off of 3. All right. So after everything was scanned, all the digitals came off, my subtotal was $8.10. Yes, $8.10. So let me show you my receipt. Okay, come on. It don't want to. There we go. There you go. There it is, right there. There's all my digitals. Then look, subtotal, $8.10. Everybody's taxes is different. Total savings, $10.50. And I got a 5 off of 25 for this Saturday, okay? So, yeah, after everything was rung up, all digits came off. You see what I paid out of pocket, $8.10. You can't beat that. That's on the low. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.